Good morning from Anza Borrego Lifted Van Meet 2024. Here's my van. I'm gonna put some walls here in a second to use the bathroom. That's our sniper right there, sleeping on the roof. Good cook too, great cook. Cooked food for me and Brooke. That's Woe Trip from Arizona. My buddy Mark. This is round 2 for Mark. Javi Wasabi. San Diego buddy. Ladder and light bar Ryan right there. It's Ruben. He was gonna make a meet like 2 years ago. Finally made one. He made the big one. Mr. Action Van Suspension himself, Larry. OG in the industry. Hanging out with us. This is Richard's van. He got his light bar and ladder from Ryan installed at the Flying J parking lot. He needs to talk to Larry now. Get a lift kit. It's my buddy John. One of 2 people I know with the Camburg lift. Him and Hector. Right there. I told John, you gotta make the meet, man. No one has a Camburg. We need a Camburg at this meet. That's Lyndon's van. And then I'm gonna do a separate video for everyone's vans. I know that's what you guys want to see. You guys gotta see his interior later. I'll show it real quick. We'll take a look at this later.
5 hours, you know.
Yeah.
All I would.
Sebastian's Life 91. What a turnout, huh, man? There, you'll see this later. There's Slick Rick. I know you guys want Slick Rick to have a channel. I keep telling him, you need a channel, Slick Rick. That's Mike's van. I thought he was John for a second because he has that cool green military looking color. I did not know this was a factory color. Airstream. Chupacabra Adventures van. Colorado camper van. 4-wheel drive. See, this is what's great about this meet. All kinds of setups here. It's not all Ford vans at this meet. We finally have some variety, some express vans. Quick look at the meet. I'll do a video of everyone's vans later.